a great choice today with the 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, keyless entry, dual airbags, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, hard disk drive media storage, auto dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, front wheel drive, rear defrost, trip computer, power windows, power door locks. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.